Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Triple N Media. I am Dr. Nick Nikam, and today we are going to be talking about the World Telangana Convention, which is going to be happening here in Houston at the George R. Brown Convention Center on June 29th to 30th and July 1st to 2018. In conjunction with the World Telangana Convention, my friends are also planning a spectacular sports special, and to talk about that we have Shankar, who is right next to me, and next to Shankar is Reena, and next to Reena is Koti. Welcome to Triple N Media, and all our programs are video streamed through YouTube channel Nick Nikam, where we have more than 1200 videos accenting our experience here in the United States. And we would also like you to visit our Facebook page, which is Nano News Network, where we bring you the latest news, views and opinions from around the world. Today we are going to be talking about the World Telangana Convention and the sports spectacular to go along with that. Let's start off with Shankar. Maybe you can tell us a little bit about your sports spectacular and what different kinds of sports you all plan to have before the convention.
All right. Firstly, thank you, Nick G, for welcoming us and giving us this opportunity. As you know, the World Telangana Convention is being held in Houston for 2018, and as part of those World Telangana 2018 celebrations, the committee has decided that we're going to do, to bring the huge and the vast Desi community that we have in the city of Houston, bring them together through different sporting events.
That's neat.
Yeah. So yes, and it's going to be really spectacular because we have picked sports which cater to a wide variety of the population that we have in our community. And yes, and it's going to involve men, women, kids of all age groups, and it's going to be a huge family fun event. It's not, it's going to be competitive, but fun at the same time.
I see, yeah. And what different kinds of sports that you all plan on having? Any one of you can answer.
Okay. Yeah, we have a lot of different sports and competitions. So like we have outdoor and indoor sports, and also individual and team sports, and some of them are physical and some of them are mental games. So there are a lot of ways to showcase the skills, right? Like so to include some of the games, like we are conducting part of the event. So chess and caroms, cricket, volleyball and throwball, tennis and badminton.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are watching the Triple N Media. I am Dr. Nick Nikam. We are talking about the World Telangana Convention, which is going to be happening on June 29th to 30th and July 1st at the George R. Brown Convention Center. And please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, let's talk with carom and some of the other sports you talked about.
Yeah, so as I explained earlier, not everybody into the physical sports.
Yes.
Like some of them are mental, and people sit at indoor and do play some fun games.
Maybe we can give out the time and locations for these various games that we are talking about.
Yeah, we have start with chess and caroms tournament, which is gonna be on April 21st and 22nd. And we have divided into 3 categories, like kids age under 12 and 12 to 16, and also adults.
Yeah.
So the caroms is going to be on 21st, and chess is going to be on 22nd. So which is going to be at Shirdi Sai Jalamandir. It's on West Belfort.
Yeah.
So, and for the individual sports, they can reach for caroms, Mohan Chintalapati, and for the chess, Ravi Gunishetty.
Reena, maybe you can tell us something about throw ball and shuttle badminton.
Well, let me tell you about volleyball and throw ball.
Oh, yeah.
Over the years, there's been a huge interest for volleyball and throw ball, with everybody playing either in their community courts or in their apartment complexes. So if you're interested to play in some sand, to get down and dirty, please join us. We have volleyball and throwball on May 19th at the Houston Sportsplex Complex. Volleyball will be conducted on the 19th from 9 a.m. till 9 p.m. And women's throwball will be conducted, will start at 2 p.m. that same day and go on till 9 p.m. Let me tell you, these two games are one of the most watched and very competitive, very fun. We have the whole family cheering on. Just remember to please call us to register. For volleyball, please call Krishna Bayana or Nag Valuri or Srinivas Kalluri. And for throwball, please call either me, Reena, or Madhavi. We would love to have your names. We'll register you in. For volleyball, there's about 16 teams, so please register fast. We're running out. And for throwball, it's about at least 6 teams for now. So please call us and register your teams.
So where are these games going to be held? The throwball
Houston
volleyball?
Sportsplex.
Houston.
Houston Sportsplex on May 19th.
Oh, I see. May 19th. That's good. Ladies and gentlemen, you are watching the Triple N Media. I am Dr. Nick Nikam, and we are talking about the World Telangana Convention, which is going to be happening at the George R. Brown Convention Center on June 29th, 30th, and July 1st. And along with that, we are talking about the sports. And please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please do subscribe to all these sporting events, because we would like to see you there as spectators and also as participants. And okay, let's talk about tennis.
So the tennis is gonna be conducted during month of June. So it's an outdoor event. So I mean, there is already a lot of kids interest into the sport, and we have seen huge registrations. So
it's on June 9th. Where are the tennis games going to be held?
So we are planning at Seven Lakes High School. So the flyers are gonna come out soon.
Oh, that's good. That's
Yeah.
good. Yeah.
So please register for the tennis tournament.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are watching Triple N Media. I am Dr. Nick Nikam, and please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we have more than 1200 videos accenting our experience here in the United States. Today we are talking about the World Telangana Convention, and I see you have huge plans for cricket.
Yes,
Maybe
sir.
Let's talk about cricket. That's my favorite game. You know, all my life I used to be glued to that old GE radio in the 70s, because that's all we had at that time. And I used to listen to the commentary from 10 o'clock till 5 o'clock.
That's true. Yeah, all right, let's talk about cricket. You know, it's the most famous sport, you know, as far as the subcontinent is concerned, you know. For most of the people, cricket is more of a religion than just a sport.
Oh, it is.
So we take it, you know, very seriously, but at the same time, you know, have a lot of fun playing it. This time for the WTC, World Telangana Convention sports thing, what we're going to do is the style of play that we're going to showcase, right? It's the most played event. It's going to be gully cricket style. So, and probably the biggest highlight of this event is a gully cricket style game being played under the floodlights. That's one of the first that's ever happened in US. Probably I don't think any other event has been done
Maybe you
like
can
that.
give us a just brief overview of the format of this game and how many teams are going to be involved. And first of all, let's give out the location, which is going to be at what is this? Houston Sportsplex.
The location is Houston Sportsplex. So
And
they
it
got
is-
these football fields out there, vast open spaces with floodlights and everything. So we're going to check out the stadiums over there, or the cricket fields over there, and that's where they're going to play it.
So let's give an overview of one game.
Okay, so basically the format of the game is going to be, since it's gully cricket style, you know, it's basically for all the enthusiasts. You don't have to be a professional cricketer or a champion player to play it. The main idea is to include everybody. So it's going to be 6 on 6, 6 per side, and it's going to be played on a field which is a 40-yard circle, and there's going to be 6 players, and it's a 5-over game.
So you're going to get a lot of 4s and 6s.
Here's the
Mostly
thing though.
sixes.
Here's the thing though. Here's the thing with gully cricket. As you know, in gully cricket, there's some very strange rules that you go. You hit into that house, you're out. You hit over this fence, you're out. Similarly, we're going to do something like that here. If you hit a 6, you're out. Actually.
Is that right?
Yeah, you got to keep it on the ground, run as hard as you can, and then get your runs. Be smart. Play cricket, but be smart at the same time.
So these are new rules.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are talking about the World Telangana Convention, and we are talking about the cricket game, which is going to be the highlight of the sports spectacular. Okay, how many teams do you all expect to be having?
So this sport is open to all age groups, men, women, kids, everybody. We're going to have different leagues, 3 different leagues, one for men, women, and kids. And we're expecting about 40 teams. And folks, let me tell you right now, there's so much enthusiasm in the city right now. Everybody's asking us to register. So if I were you, I would register right now as soon as you hear this. So we
40 teams. You're going to have all of them play in one day, or?
Oh yes, it's
that
going
right?
to be a one-day event. We're going to have the league fest in the morning, and then playoffs under the lights,
I see.
Yep.
Yeah.
under the floodlights.
So we have a
And-
field field which can accommodate like 10 to 12 grinds in parlor.
Oh, okay. It's
Yeah.
like a 50-over game for, I should say, all day. It's like a
Yeah, if you put it together. Yes. Yeah.
Oh, okay, so in addition to sports, if you're going to be an all-day program, I guess you're probably going to plan a lot more activities for those who are just spectators.
Yeah. So we are calling it the Mega Mela.
Yeah, that's
It is free for all families, all kids. Please bring your near and dear. We have moonwalks, we have balloon making, face painting, we have food stalls. So that will take care of your appetite. So it's not just games all the time. You can still hang out with your friends and family, with your kids. Your kids will be running, having fun. You can buy food at the stalls. There's a DJ, and there's going to be singers, local talent that will keep you entertained. And of course, we have a very surprise guest. We can't reveal it now. You will have to be there to see the surprise guest, and trust me, it will be nice. It will be a good surprise.
So, ladies
Yeah.
and gentlemen, please do sign up because they already have 40 teams, and so this should be a whole exciting day.
Yes.
What day it's going to be held? It's April 28th. Is that
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So the game is gonna be on the April 28th,
Yeah.
and also we have a lot of another best thing for gully cricket is we have prize money for winners.
Well, for gully cricket, I can provide professional cricket commentary.
Wow, that's cool.
When the Memorial had a cricket tournament, I was the only commentator for 8 hours from morning till evening. So
You're
I
hired.
will be happy to provide you running commentary like the old. It's not like the television commentary. This will be like the old radio style commentary. So they will get you a glimpse of
There you
that.
go. There you go. That's a new for the this generation, I guess, right?
Yeah.
It is. See, because when you listen to the television commentary, it's like it's nothing. We can see everything.
Yeah.
But with the radio, when in old days, radio, they used to explain everything. They would create like a mental image of what actually is happening on the field. There were some few people during my time, and I could remember, who could give such clear description of the fielding setup and how the player played the ball and all this. You don't see that in today's
No.
Okay, you're having all these sports. What's the awards?
So we're going to have the awards for trophies and medals for all the participants, all the winners of at different levels in different categories, right? And we have a special cash prize that's only for cricket. There's a cash prize, but for other sports, guys, there's so many goodies out there, trophies and medals to be picked up. So you just need to show up, have a gala time, and just be competitive. You should do
So
good.
when are these trophies and awards going to be given?
So the awards will be given during the World Telangana Convention. So one of the famous sports icon gonna be there from India. So all the awards will be given by one of the sports persons from India.
That's fascinating. I'm really excited about all these games coming up, and especially the gully cricket, because I grew up playing gully cricket.
I think we all did.
Yes.
Yeah, we all
Okay, any
did.
final thoughts before I give you a glimpse of the cricket commentary and maybe entice more people to sign up for all these various games?
Well, a last word on cricket basically is it's going to be the showcase event, and there's going to be about 800 to 1,000 people that day, so it's going to be a fun atmosphere. So we'll call you guys to show up, and feel free to reach out to me, Shankar Tangirala or Vasu Parpudi, for registration or any other questions regarding that. And once again, guys, welcome to the sports events.
Yep, and again, it's the World Telangana Convention. The sports are being held. Cricket is being held on April 28th, and volleyball and throwball is going to be held on May 19th. And chess and caroms are going to be held on April 21st and 22nd. Tennis on June 9th and shuttle badminton on June 19th. Please don't forget to register. Our flyers are available everywhere. Please call the corresponding person and register your teams.
Cody?
Yeah, as we explained, everybody come and enjoy. And the best part of the games is you get to meet new friends, and all the snacks will be served during the games.
Yep.
Fascinating. Ladies and gentlemen, you have been listening to Triple N Media. We've been talking about the World Telangana Convention, which is going to be happening at the George R. Brown Convention Center on June 29th, 30th and July 1st. And we have also been talking about the sports spectacular. So let me give you a glimpse of how the cricket game and the cricket commentary is going to be, so that we can entice all of you to at least come and watch the whole day game. Ladies and gentlemen, Connolly, right arm over the wicket. Mohsin Bowser outside the off stump, coming into the batsman, puts it in the point region. The batsmen go and complete 1 run. They are looking for the second round. As the fielder gets the ball, throws it into the wicketkeeper's gloves. The batsmen complete 2 runs. India 286 for the loss of 8 wickets, 32 runs short of this victory. We needed to come there and listen to the final words.
There you go. You're hired. Yeah, that was awesome.